This is Fred. Fred is one of 6 Chromebooks-to-Go backpacks, made possible by a grant from LibraryLink NJ and EBSCO, that are now available at the Lake Hiawatha branch of the Parsippany Troy Hills Public Library System. Any Parsippany resident that has a library card in good standing can check out one of our Chromebooks-to-Go. The loan period is 14 days. Each backpack comes with a Chromebook, a HotSpot, and all necessary charging cables. The HotSpot gives you a Wi-Fi signal anywhere that you can connect to the T-Mobile cellular network. Simply turn it on, wait for the welcome, and you're ready to go. If the hotspot is turned on, it will automatically connect. If you're not using the hotspot, you can connect to any other available Wi-Fi signal. You will be asked if you wish to sign in to your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one right then and there. If you choose to sync to the Chromebook, all information on your Google account will be available to you. When you're done, click to the right, sign out, and power down. The Chromebooks are discoverable on our website, www.parsippanylibrary.org, under our Library of Things.